Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm SkatingBoy13 and I'm just gonna show you guys my BB gun. It's called the Powerline 901. Got it from Dick's Sporting Goods for about like 80 bucks. Check it out. So first I'm gonna tell you about like the BBs. It takes premium BBs, 1500 copperhead, about $7.99 cheap. I prefer these because I buy like 2 of these. I'm good to go. That's the one I'm working on using right now. And then I always buy like, cause mainly I like to shoot pellets because I shoot squirrels. But yeah, pellets are harder to load and it takes longer. So I'll tell you about that later in a second. You can get like a 6,000 or 5,000 pack for like 30 bucks. So I prefer these, just 8 bucks. Well, let's just get started. I'm gonna name out all the parts on this gun. Alright. First, we have our operating rod. That's what it's called. This is the operating rod. This is the bolt. The operating rod opens the bolt. And a BB will take its place. Pump. Sight. Sight dot. Barrel. Right in there, stuff like that. So you can see safety. Safety can only be turned on unless the bolt is open, or the BB is in the bolt, or the chamber, which is located right here. Yeah, chamber. Ammo stores all the ammo. Tell you about that later. It's light in the thunderstorm outside right now. For the BBs, okay. What? Everything just sort of vibrated, but alright, for the BBs, you open this, put BBs in, slip up. Yep. Alright, but those are mainly all the parts. The gun, trigger, but yeah. Alright, first I'm gonna teach you how to, I'm gonna make 2 videos, okay? But first one is about the pellets. I'll do pellets first, and apparently I don't have any pellets with me right now. Use them all today for squirrel hunting. So let's pretend this is a pellet. And a pellet is more of a sharp ouch when it shoots you thing. But what would happen is you pull the operating rod to open bolt right there. Take pellet, put it in the bolt. You can see right there, but that's a BB, not a pellet. Turn safety on. Since the bolt is open, as you can see, safety is eligible to turn on. Pump gun. I'm not really gonna pump it. Just pretend I pumped it like 5 times. Next thing you want to do is close the bolt, just like that. Third thing you want to do, aim your gun. Just aim your gun, something like that, and then take the safety off, and then fire. Now I want to pull this out. It's magnet. I'll get that later. Where is it? Yeah, I'll get it later. Alright. So now I'm going to teach you how it works. When you hold the operating rod, just put it into your stomach or chest. For stomach, or waist. Hold the operating rod firmly in the gun. pull back, not hard, and then operator nod's open. You would think it'd bounce around in there, but it doesn't, because when you put the pellet in there, this right here, you see it like a little bar thing, it goes in and out. That's like a magnet to the pellet or the BB. I'm talking about pellets now, so pellet. Once I push this up, a little like gate closes in there, shuts off the circle, like the power from the magnet to the BB or pellet, and then the pellet is in the chamber. Now what happens is when you run your pumping, wait a second, there's no BB in here. When you're pumping it, let me back this up. Right. When you're pumping it, you hear that little thing? There's this little tiny, little fuzzy thing right here. And that's what pushes the air in. So all the air just made pressure in this chamber. It's harder to push each time. Then take safety off. That's basically the noise it makes. Good gun. But what happens is, how all that works is, how it gets out, like all the pressure gets up in the bullet chamber, and then this little, it's like a little window or something. I never looked inside it. I never like unscrewed these screws, looked inside it before, but what happens is all the air gets released out, bullet is released, bullet follows air, just flies right out from the barrel. So yeah, check out part 2 for the BBs.